G.I.A Automotive 2011 Acura MDX. And doing the front brake pads on this one. The rotor's still good, so we're not gonna swap it out. But use your old brake pad, put it on the caliper, and use your C-clamp. And don't forget to clean up your hardware and grease up all your pins. Make sure that they slide in and out. And that's the proper way of doing an actual brake job. Use your N-Tight Series synthetic grease, and always use a jack stand. Make sure you're always safe, and pretty much that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment on something that you see in my video. If you have any questions, you can contact me through the YouTube application. To get off the caliper, it's 17 millimeter, and in this case the bolt was so tight that sometimes you don't have any room for a long pry bar, something with more leverage to get a good pull on the bolt to release that bolt. So what I did was, you put your half inch ratchet drive like this, hold it in place like that over the bolt, and use your hammer and hammer just the handle carefully. Don't hurt yourself and hit your thumb on accident. But that's what I did. And if you were to change the rotor, before you change it out, make sure you spray here some PB Blaster, some penetrating oil, and use the proper tool to get it out. And you avoid stripping that head of that screw, because then you'll be drilling and tapping it out, and you'll create something simple into a headache for not having the correct tool. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.